Have you ever wondered how big a crore really is? Or what it means when someone talks about a population of over 100 crores? Let's find out. These large numbers can feel a bit overwhelming, right? Today, we are going to break it all down and make those big figures relatable. Let's start small with the term lakh. In India, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. It's also the smallest six-digit number, which is 1 followed by 5 zeros. Think of it like this: if you have 1 lakh rupees, you could buy a nice small car. Now, if we look at the number scale, we have 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and then we hit 1 lakh. So, if you ever hear someone mention lakh, now you know it represents a significant amount of money. Moving on to a larger figure, we have crore. 1 crore equals 10 million or 100 lakh. This is represented as 1 followed by 7 zeros. To put this into perspective, if you were to win a lottery of 1 crore rupees, you could buy a luxury sedan or even a small apartment in many parts of India. So, how does this fit into our number system? 1 crore is equal to 100 lakh. If you have 10 crores, that's 1 followed by 9 zeros. Now, let's discuss how to compare these large numbers. When comparing numbers, the first thing to look at is the number of digits. The number with more digits is always larger. For example, 11 crores 73,640 has 9 digits, while 8 crores 93 lakhs 10,009 has 8 digits. Therefore, 11 crores 73,640 is greater. But if both numbers have the same number of digits, we start comparing from the left. For instance, if you compare 8 crores 31 lakhs 57,610 and 8 crores 31 lakhs 46,205, you line them up. 8 crores 31 lakhs 57,610. 8 crores 31 lakhs 46,205. Starting from the left, both numbers begin with 8 and then 3, but when we reach the thousands, 57 is greater than 46. Thus, 8 crores 31 lakhs 57,610 is larger. Next, let's talk about place values. Place value helps us understand the value of each digit in a number based on its position. For example, in the number 7, 23, 14, 68. 7 is in the millions place. 2 is in the hundred thousands place. 3 is in the 10,000s place. 1 is in the thousands place. 4 is in the hundreds place. 6 is in the tens place. 8 is in the units place. Understanding place values is crucial when working with large numbers because it helps us know how to read and write them accurately. The Indian system divides numbers into the following groups called periods: ones, units; thousands; lakhs; crores. When writing large numbers, follow these steps. 1. Break the number into groups called periods: crores, lakhs, thousands, and ones. 2. Start grouping digits from the right side of the number. 3. Add spaces in between each group to clearly separate them. When reading large numbers, follow these steps. Step 1. Read the digits in each period together. Step 2. Add the name of the period, except the ones. For example, if you have the number shown, it's grouped as 23 lakhs, 19,000, 617. So when reading, you would say 23 lakhs 19,617. Now, let's look at the International Place Value System, which groups numbers into 3 digits, starting from the right. The groups are ones, units; thousands; millions; billions. For example, In the number shown, it's broken down as 12,345,678. This system is commonly used internationally, while India uses the lakh and crore system. Finally, let's touch on how to form the smallest and greatest numbers using a set of digits. Case 1. Form smallest or greatest number when repetition of digits is not allowed. Example: write the greatest 6-digit number using the digits 3, 2, 9, 5, 6, and 8 only once. For writing the greatest 6-digit number, we place the greatest digit at the leftmost place and the other digits in descending order. So, the greatest 6-digit number is 986532. Case 2. Form smallest and greatest number when repetition of digits is allowed. Example: form the greatest and the smallest 8-digit numbers using each of the digits 2, 8, 0, and 1 twice. To form the greatest number, arrange the digits in descending order 88 to 1100. To form the smallest number, arrange the digits in ascending order, ensuring no leading zeros. 10 0 1 2 to 88. And there you have it. Keep practicing, and soon, all these big numbers will feel like a walk in the park. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5. Thank you.